Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Good morning or good evening to everyone. It's another fruitful and blessed day. Today is a new day and a new recipe. Before we will go on to our new recipe, ako nga po pala si Ankim and Kath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Para updated kayo sa aking mga videos at sa mga upcoming videos ko pa, don't forget to hit the notification button, like, share, and subscribe. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako sa ating new recipe. Chicken with chestnut is a quite popular in Hong Kong and typical Chinese home cooking dish. It's hard to describe how delicious this is. The dish is quite easy to cook except of cracking the chestnut and removing the papery skin. In this recipe, I will show you how to open the chestnut step by step, tips and techniques to follow. Or if you would like to save time on cracking nuts, there are some frozen chestnut without skin available at Asian grocery store. New recipes are added every week, so stay tuned for latest update. Check also some of my other recipes you're sure to enjoy. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate your support. guys like this stew chicken with chestnut recipe. I'd love to hear what you think about this dish. So please feel free to leave a comment and I'll be right back to you as soon as I can. The complete list of this recipe is in the description below. Hope to see you again next time. Thank you everyone. God bless. Bye.